I had an idea for a simple little project. I picked up this clay pot and saucer from the home center. Didn't even pay $3 for these, but it's fairly bland, so I wanted to spruce it up. Thought the best thing to do would be just spray paint. But be honest with me, how many times have you tackled a project, maybe a little bit larger than this, but you're spraying the paint, and first of all you notice that you can't turn the bottle, because if you do, you lose pressure, the paint stops flowing, so you have to keep it upright. And then if it's large enough of a project, after a while you're having to switch hands and then maybe double up, or even on the old thumb. I've done that before. By the time you're finished, you've got sore fingers and paint all over. So what do? Have you seen Rust-Oleum's new Universal yet? I love this paint. First of all, let's talk about why this is called Universal. You don't have to guess about whether this paint works on what surface you're using. For example, I've got terracotta. Does this work on that? Well, what if I've got wood? What about plastic? What about metal? Doesn't matter. This sticks to the surface. Even something as slick as vinyl or glass. Plus, once it's on there, it resists corrosion and rust. I love the colors. When this came out, 16 colors. They've just added 7 more to the palette for a total of 23, including this new one I just got, copper hammered. I think this is going to turn this less than $3 investment into something that looks really high-end. But the best is the design. First of all, you're going to notice you don't have the button on top. You've got this ergonomically designed trigger, and this takes only 1/3 of the pressure to operate than it does to push a button. You've got a built-in drip guard. You've even got this little slide lock so you don't have any accidental sprays that you don't want. You've also got a beautiful design in this neck. Look how it tapers down. It's as thin as it is. That means you can grip it easily. No matter what direction I'm turning this, I've got good pressure, good paint flow. Even if I've got an object that has multiple surfaces on it, I can spray upside down and this won't lose pressure. Now, here's the best part. You tell me that you've got something that's going to make anything I do, whether it's large or small, indoors or outdoors, and it's going to be faster, easier, and no guesswork, I'm sold.